Time to get to the bottom of it. Get your safety gear on. Come on now. Let's roll. Know how queries drive the desired results? Because clauses navigate it. Let's move further. SQL has three main clauses. The group by, order by and where clauses. The where clause is used to apply additional filters. This clause gives you the crown. You can throw in all the conditions required to procure desired results. So you extract the exact data that you want to access. These two little guys help you sort the data. Want to bring together certain types of records? Try hitting group by. The guy is a little stuck up, but we'll pull out the records for you. Want the results organized in a certain manner? Try hitting order by. This young chap can do it in no time. It's a virtual table created with a query. Now you don't want people to view your confidential data, do you? This is when you can make use of views to compile and display selected content. Why do we say views and not view? Well, there are two types, simple view and complex view. Simple views display certain predefined data from one base table. Complex views display certain predefined data from multiple base tables. Wondering what this certain predefined data is? It's the column names that you specify when you chalk out a view. Isn't that awesome? You can create, replace the attributes, and also drop off the view. This lets you show up the most relevant and updated data. It also helps you conceal the sensitive portions. Now, isn't that cool? Let's see how you can do that. So let's create a view called Mexico Doctors from the table Doctors. To access it, just type. Voila! You see the names and phone numbers of all the doctors from Mexico. Now you can do two more things with views. You can delete it by typing. Or you could replace phone no with address and email. To replace, you can now send postcards instead of calling them. Now it's as simple as that. The battle gets more intense. Let's figure out what more you can do with clauses and views. How do you write queries with clauses? Here's how you do it. Let's assume you have a table called candidate. You want to display the names of those who flunked. So, the query would be: voila! You're done. A company wishes to hire 50 candidates from the table interview candidates. They want to pick the ones who made it through the test. But they don't want any losers. Just the toppers. Now you gotta write a query for them. Confused? Just hit. So the results show only those who have made through all the rounds. Starting from those with the highest score to the lowest because you said DESC. DESC denotes descending order and ASC denotes ascending. Let's move further. Let's wrap it up. Time to put the pieces together. The game has just begun. Time to explore further. Let's roll.